Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Pinterest experience positive and free from unwanted comments, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the new filter comments feature on your pins using your PC. This update is super helpful for anyone who wants a little more control over their Pinterest interactions. So, let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will open up a new section where you can manage everything related to your Pinterest account. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Social Permissions. Click on it to expand the section. Here, you'll find a variety of tools designed to help you control how you interact with others on Pinterest. Now scroll down until you see the option called Filter Comments on your pins. This is the new feature that lets you automatically filter out comments that might be inappropriate or unwanted. To turn it on, simply click the switch next to this option. When it turns a different color, you'll know the filter is enabled. Don't forget this last step. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. This makes sure all your changes are applied and your pins are now protected by the comment filter. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the filter comments feature on your pins. From now on, Pinterest will help keep your pins' comment sections cleaner and more enjoyable for you and your followers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Pinterest experience.